How to use a reverse mortgage to downsize and enhance your retirement money. It's actually a really good strategy, one I absolutely intend doing. We're going to cut right to the chase here. My man Donnie G, Don Graves. So I'm a big fan of Don and his wife. Good people. Just full disclosure, I do get incentive from Don to promote his products. Yeah, I got to be upfront. He sends me a calendar every year, I need to be upfront with you. So when I'm promoting Don, just remember I'm doing it because I want that calendar. I wouldn't know how to keep the dates unless I got a calendar from Don Graves. So if I don't get that calendar, where would I be? I think today's Christmas and it's actually Easter tomorrow. So I'd be out of sorts without Don Graves sending me a calendar every year. I get nothing from this guy, just FYI, a calendar once a year. I don't get any kickbacks, nothing like that. So for people accuse Wade foul of, I'm like, well, I don't know what Wade's up to. I mean, I don't know what he gets. I have no clue. But I'm like, why the accusations? Why being accused of something when promoting a product that's not used very highly that should be used more? I don't get it, man. Oh, you get paid fixing news. I don't get paid any of that crap. It's the weirdest thing. Like, you don't like what I say, so you accuse me of being paid for, a paid shill. Is strange. I'm the conspiracy theorist. I am. I'm the one who makes the accusations, not you to me, because I'm the conspiracy theorist. Anyway, so man, Don Graves, he has this thing right here. He's actually saying to downsize your house, and you can buy a second one. I'm not going to go this route because I tell you, man, when we were down in Cocoa Beach, I love Cocoa Beach. It's like the best place on earth. I couldn't live there full time, and I said, well, it'd be cool to have a condo, something like this. Not on the beach, I can't afford that. But let's just say it's off the beach a little bit, 20, 30 minutes away from the beach. Probably cost you $250 or $300 for a condo. It's like, I don't have that kind of scratch to pay for a condo, but it's not even just a price; it's the homeowners fees and all that. It's like, man, it's an extra $500 or $600 a month. Now you get all kinds of amenities with it. I get it, but I'm like, I don't want to live in Cocoa Beach full time, so I'm still gonna have to live someplace in North Georgia. And to have a condo to go to on occasion sounds great, but man, how many times do you actually go to? Does any of you all have condos? I mean, in the beach or in some other place, do you use them a lot? Seems like it'd be like a boat. See, I've never owned a boat, but I've heard the two best times of owning a boat are the day you buy it and the day you sell it, and it seems like that's the way a condo would be. So I don't know if you guys got experience on that. Let me know. I won't do it because I don't have the cash flow, and I hate the idea of having to come up with another $500 a month in homeowners fees for something I'm only going to use 2 or 3 times a year, if that. All right, so here's Don. So he's selling our house, and we'll just say this is Fulton County. We'll say it's your old buddy Josh's house in Fulton County. We're going to sell our house for $600,000. We're going to buy a house in Gilmer County for $500,000. Now, I fully anticipate to downsize more than this, but just hear me out. So we're going to sell for $600,000. We're going to buy a brand spanking new home in Gilmer County for $500,000. So we'll take reverse mortgage for a purchase, which will provide 40% of the down payment. And then we're going to use our cash from the proceeds of this for another $300,000. So we'll own this house outright. We'll take $300,000 on the sale of this, use that plus the reverse mortgage down payment, and we no longer have any debt at all on this house. Plus, we have an extra $300,000 which we can use for retirement spending. Now, and I'll give you another example here. I'll just go into it, actually. We'll go right here. So I'm going to Mortgage Professor's Reverse Mortgage Calculator, and we got this one right here. We're gonna say we're gonna use a reverse mortgage. What did I do here? Hold on a second. Yeah, here it is. We're gonna purchase a house with our reverse mortgage for purchase. And we're going to purchase a house for, we're going to use what Don said, $500,000. Yeah, there we go. All right, let's see what we got here. 500,000 schmackaroonies. It's thinking, and we should get about, cash from reverse mortgage. All right, so basically, we're going to have to, let's just click on, we'll just use this retire secure, that's fine. All right, so basically, loan balance, we're going to get we're going to have roughly what Don was saying right here. $300,000 down payment from us, $200,000 from the reverse mortgage, which is about right quick, right there. So we're going to come up with $306,000 reverse mortgage will give us $194. It depends on your age, frankly. All right, so we're going to have to come out with $306. So from this right here, again, that's $306, and that reverse mortgage down payment would be $194. But notice we don't have any debt at all. We don't have any payment at all. We still have a debt, mind you, and that debt is growing. $194 in 10 years, $337. 20 years 588, and that's growing at a fixed interest rate of 5% plus basically 5.5% fixed. We can use whatever we want, man. It doesn't matter. And let's just say our appreciation is 3%, and there we go. All right, so I don't know. We're 5%, 6%. I mean, we can even use our trusty calculator. Say if we had 194 balance right now as our present value, we'll say 7% is our interest rate, 0 payment, and for 20 years, and it's going to be 750 will be our loan balance in 20 years. So we got 200,000, basically at 7% a year. It doubles every 10 years roughly. So 200 is 400 to 800,000 bucks roughly. So anyway, so you can see here now our equity has gone from 500 at 3% to 903. All right, so now we do the same thing with a calculator. So our mortgage balance was 750. Our equity, our house value is $500,000 present value. We'll say 3% is our interest rate. Compute future. It's 903. So we still got $150,000 equity, even with the property value only increasing at 3% a year, and the debt increasing at 7% a year. We still have $153,000. Our value of our home is 903. The value of the line of credit, or the balance I should have the loan, is 750. And here you can see right here, I'm only growing at 3% a year. Got a fixed rate of 5.5. So here's our house value, 903. There's our balance, and there's our equity. We still got positive equity. Even by the time we're 30 years old, 30 years have gone in. We're 92 years old. Loan balance is 102. The value of the home is 1.2. All right, so we still got equity. And again, that's with a 3% assumed growth rate of the home and a 5.56% interest rate. Man, it's going to be tough to beat that, man. So, I mean, you're not going to have tons of equity. You still have to pay something. But what happens here is you can use that to downsize, don't have a monthly payment, and you still most likely have a lot of equity later on in your life. You might not, but you could. And that's a wonderful tool to use. I fully intend to use that because now you got this $300,000 that's freed up from the proceeds of your selling of your big home that you can use for retirement spending. Or in Don's case, he's saying, or you could actually use that $300,000 to have a second house for free. You got 100% cash payment. So here's a little condo in Cocoa Beach, $300,000 that you now own outright because you pay for cash money. $300,000 here. The price of the condo is $300,000. $500,000 of your downsize house. The price of this house was $300,000 plus the reverse mortgage. You can do either way. I get nervous about that, so I'll just do this right here. I'd rather have the cash money and use that to. I don't like Airbnb and all that stuff, but I don't like the idea of having an obligation that's out where I'm not residing in on a regular basis. Now, love your thoughts on that. Let me know, and I'll put links to both these things in here. See ya. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my locals page. I always forget to say, I got to do a better job. So locals every Friday at 4 p.m. Locals only live streams, and that's at joshscanlon.locals.com. It's in the doobly-doo. We'll see you.